Looking good. Okay. I got it looking good. Looking good. Look at that, guys. What's up, guys? We're back at Hungry Let's Eat with Chef Jamal. Today, we're going to ask one of the most basic questions I know that I've seen people having problems with is, sunny side up eggs. Today, I'm going to show you the how-to and what I think is the best way to make perfect, great sunny side up eggs, okay? First, wow. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell so you always know when we dropping these videos. First, make sure you grab all your ingredients, okay? Grab your eggs, your ounce of oil, make sure you have a towel, a good egg pan, okay, non-stick, okay? Also, make sure y'all pay attention, follow, and make sure to let me know in the comments what y'all think. A couple times y'all had doing this. And tell me, you know what I'm saying, what some things y'all have problems cooking. Let me know, okay? So I can show y'all the proper way, all right? So we're gonna get started. We got our ingredients and everything, you know what I'm saying, as y'all can see. Make sure y'all can see, all right? Okay? You know what I'm saying? Add your oil in there for your sunny side up eggs. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put the egg in the pan. One more. Take off some of this extra yolk so it can cook. Okay. 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 I'm gonna put that in there. See that? Looking good. Okay. Look at that. Nice, good looking. Spread it all the yolk around from the yolk. Okay, guys? Ain't rocket science, but hey, we can get things together as long as y'all let me know what y'all need help with, and I can help you guys and find a better way to do these things. So let's go ahead and put it in the pan and see how it looks. Alright, guys, let's check the eggs. These beautiful eggs in the pan. Okay. Oh man, look at those eggs. Look at those eggs. Okay. Looking good. Alright guys, look at those eggs. Oh man. Look at those. So let's see. Looking good. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, perfect sunny up eggs. Look at that. All right, guys. All right, guys. Y'all see how easy that was? It was real easy too. It's not rocket science. Just oil, pan, take your time. Make sure it's at a good normal heat. About 4 if you're working with electric. Probably medium to low heat because it don't take much to cook eggs. Make sure you have your oil in your pan. Take your time and have fun. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments any more questions you'll have for me. I'll be enjoy and have a good time answering them for you guys. Okay? I have fun. Hope you have fun with me. Chef Jamal, where quality is always on the table. See y'all guys soon. This is your boy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching, and we're out.
You got it.